Now we are going to examine steel and timber floor products. A steel floor system is composed of a series of linear beams and joists overlaid with a plane of sheeting or decking, and additional steel girders, secondary beams, small beams, may be needed to divide the span to form the floor surface. This system can be used as the floor system of steel frame structures, concrete frame structures, and masonry buildings. How are we going to compose the floor? A floor deck may consist of metal decking with concrete fill, precast concrete planks, plywood panels or wood planking, which requires a nailable top chord or nailer bolted to top chord. Metal decking is corrugated to increase its stiffness and spanning capability. The floor deck serves as a working platform during construction and as formwork for side-cast concrete slab. Wood joist floors are an essential subsystem of wood light frame construction. The dimension lumber used for joists is easily worked and can be quickly assembled on-site with simple tools. Together with wood panel sheeting or subflooring, the wood joists form a level working platform for construction. If properly engineered, the resulting floor structure can serve as a structural diaphragm to transfer lateral loads to shear walls as well. Subflooring typically consists of plywood, although other non-veneer panel materials such as OSB, fiberboard, and particle board can be used if manufactured according to approved standards. Let's look at these engineered wood panels. First we have plywood. A wood panel glued under pressure from an odd number, usually it's 3 to 13, of layers, piles of veneers is known as plywood. Fiberboard. These boards built up of felting from wood or vegetable wastes are classified by the process of their molding. If the boards are molded by wet process, the main bond is by felting of wood fibers and not by added glue. Fiberboards are manufactured in various densities like medium and high. Particle boards, or we can say chipboards. They are manufactured from particles of wood or other lingocellulose materials which are agglomerated, formed and pressed together by the use of an organic or cementitious binder, together in presence of heat, pressure and moisture. They are manufactured from small timber pieces and wood wastes. The moisture content of chips is reduced and then some gluing material, usually phenol formaldehyde or for organic binder. This is not water resistant. Cement mortar for the other, which makes it water resistant, is sprayed. The chips are then spread to form a mat and then pressed in a hydraulic press in presence of heat and moisture. Or we can have oriented standard boards. This is a type of engineered lumber similar to particle board, formed by adding adhesives and then compressing layers of wood strands or flakes in specific orientations.